Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of negative 0.84. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund finds itself at the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 31.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 49.53% to a decline of 12.02%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 36.46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 73.75% to an increase of 47.64% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $5.51 and $31. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, "A very strong day for SOXL ETF price on Monday." The SOXL ETF price gained 8.92% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, rising from $19.28 to $21. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.89% with a low of $20.37 and a high of $21.37. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, showing a total gain of 16.73% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 8 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in approximately 91 million shares being bought and sold for a total of about $1.91 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $16.51. Currently, the price remains 70.03%, or $49.08, below the 52-week high, and 94.45%, or $357.24, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3 times Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has experienced a notable decline, down 62% from its 2024 high, as the artificial intelligence bubble begins to show signs of deflating. This steep retreat has raised concerns among investors about the fund's performance and future prospects. Compounding these issues is the increasing competition in the custom graphics processing unit market from giants like Google and Amazon, which is further compressing margins, impacting not just NVIDIA, but also the broader semiconductor sector that SOXL is linked to. Recent developments indicate that while SEL might present short-term trading opportunities amid market volatility, particularly after the panic triggered by a new artificial intelligence player, DeepSeek, the long-term outlook appears shaky. SOXL's inefficient tracking of its benchmark and the potential for significant tracking errors underscore its challenges as a leveraged investment. In a market that is becoming increasingly competitive, these factors suggest heightened risks for SOXL, likely leading to further price fluctuations. Investors should remain vigilant as the future performance of this fund hinges on the broader economic context and semiconductor industry trends. As the landscape evolves, SOXL's volatility could make it more suitable for aggressive or short-term traders rather than long-term investors seeking stability. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 11th, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 20.62%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SOXL Exchange Traded Fund holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the ETF, resulting in a more negative outlook. On further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $23.81. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.16. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the general signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 66 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 158 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19.24 and $17.99. There is an inherent risk involved when an ETF tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the ETF to fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $19.24. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.99 and $17.41. This ETF may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 4.89%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 6.06%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL stands at $21.75. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be crossed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL has its first support level at $19.24. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.16, reflecting a decline of 3.98%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate or a chance for accumulation while we await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of March, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 8 cents and begin trading at $20.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.